Been a few days since we've had to worry about the potential for storms in our area.
Yeah, the streak is over. Heavy rain flooded streets and what we believed was a lightning strike here at the station. A white flash, a loud crack like a firecracker exploding in the newsroom.
Yeah, you couldn't miss it. And people all across the area, of course, are dealing with these sudden storms. This is what it looks like in Salisbury Township, where the water, as you can see, is so high that cars are getting stuck there on Lehigh Street.
Yeah, we keep watching the number of homes and businesses without power go up here in the area. About 2,200 at last count, the majority in Lehigh County.